How to fix head slip app not working. So you might be facing this issue because you haven't updated your application head slip. In order to check it out, head over to your app store. In the source bar, search for head slip. Simply move into this app. Right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you're having this issue. If that's the case, simply tap on update and update your app. Once your application is up to date, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of your device. Move into general, and then head over to iPhone storage. Search for the application head slip and then move into it. Now over here, you have to upload the app, so tap on upload app, and then once again click on upload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application and make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing. If it is not working, then what you can do is simply uninstall the app and then reinstall it. Reinstalling the app will definitely fix the issue, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix head slip app not working. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.